the last day of polling for the Lok Sabha elections, the opposition India Alliance is having their all-party meet. But a day before this, Mallikarjun Kharge had talked about the choice of PM if India Alliance comes to power. This meeting is organized in New Delhi. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has shown his backing for Rahul Gandhi as a prime ministerial face. Then, while talking about Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and her electoral debut, Kharge said that he has pushed her to contest from the family bastion seat of Rae Bareli. However, she chose to opt out and instead manage her brother's campaign. Talking about Rahul Gandhi, Kharge said that he would be a popular choice for the top post. Kharge said that Rahul Gandhi led 2 Bharat Jodo Yatras and campaigned extensively, shared the stage with allies and launched direct attacks on PM Modi. The statement from Kharge reads, Rahul Gandhi is my choice to be the Prime Minister. He is my choice and he represents the youth and length and breadth of the country. However, earlier when Kharge was asked about the prime ministerial face of the India bloc, then Kharge had said that they will decide the PM face after winning the elections and that the alliance will jointly decide who would be the PM. Even when CM Arvind Kejriwal was asked if Rahul Gandhi would be the PM candidate for the India bloc, he had said that alliance would decide on this after the elections. Meanwhile, Mallikarjun Kharge had also rubbished the talks that he too could be the PM candidate. In fact, today the opposition India bloc is holding an informal meeting to outline its strategies for the counting days. Kharge has said that the only focus now is on the coordination with the members. This meeting will be held at Kharge's residence. All chiefs of the opposition India Alliance will be attending the meeting. However, TMC Chief Mamata Banerjee and DMK Chief and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin would be skipping this meeting. So, as the India Alliance leaders are meeting to decide their future strategy, and today the exit polls would be out. So, in this meeting, there are chances that they could also discuss on prime ministerial face of their alliance. Who do you prefer as the prime ministerial face if India bloc wins? Let us know in the comment. That's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.